So today we're servicing what's called a Tonopen. This one's by Medtronic, and this measures the pressures in the eye. It's a applanation type tonometer that they put directly on the cornea. These have been manufactured by several different companies over the years, then bought up and resold and bought up again. This Medtronic's and Salon Optics, or Salon Ophthalmics, was owned by Physio Control and then went to Zomed, and now Reichert's got them. So you're going to see a lot of Tonopens out there with many different names on it. So this is the main core of the unit, the electronics board. This is the cone, the tip. That's what holds this micro strain gauge, which actually does the measurement. Actually touches the eyeball. And we got 2 lithium batteries and a bunch of screws. So this is going to be fully cleaned and serviced and recalibrated, and we'll put it back together and deliver it to the customer.